Hello, welcome back to my channel again, and today is 18th of February and it's the last second day of 51 KARBI Youth Festival, and I haven't visit even ke niliarni sita don ikelang ke pini kidon ji parni sijo arbi tanan pro ke no deng chikupo na kola leisure pitum na kang thumlo carpen la ke this black plastic. I took a extra sandal. Now I'm wearing sandal, घर का चप्पल, and let's see क्या होता है आज. Arbi के jang lo guys. Oh God. Lambang ke nili oktaring mi oh idet la so posi hedi kidun ta sab so interest do ida da son lo non nili stame do vai chu etsi ke bar mo nongwe ko son ne kang sam lai hui pen che khai du jini ko son ne hedi same do ai bang chokonik dan ha. So let's see on the page har loop lon jo tam kang sam mo nilang joy ki so lok lo kang thak lok lo mo kate. So see you there, bye bye. Arbi bang ham pachut pachat lo.
Ham lo mà Arbi.
Ham lo sab so.
Là pui ko pula o Arbi lang so lo man.
Oh kalang lo la punat lo.
Là pui nang chipla di.
Chipla.
Kalit la sining do.
Hala no theng pi he.
Nang so nang dun di.
Arbi jang do ma gari parking din ta in khan sal dilo. Tum ta ter lap la ya. To war ke me long nang le chil jo. I came along with them. Are we just here? It's very cold. Jo na patong kidalo mo yun. Samri oh. Kijang kam gali leng do pick. Nang cham lab lo jacket lang. Lapo department na through program to ko. Arleng do picture. We are making traditional attire with flowers and I want to help. Photo khicho yaar. Photo da.
Bersama ho.
There is a lotus. Fake wala.
Wah, chalo enggak?
Yeah, it photo खींच रहे हैं. Maybe fish देखूंगी. Fish, which one? रो बोला के आने के थे माँ बाहू माँ सुमार बहन buying her a sweet corn. यहाँ पे स्टेज है.
Lapen la aprang bang tapi nang nelo kangtung kam sai dam fan bin cek lo lang cuma le bin cek lo ke masuk ke hayi malake chini ni dato la ning ke mepe alang itu apa
solo aku mana aku brong ya bu doi ke cuy tang ada salam ajang lah arwi jang camu masuki oh camu ojo ayah
Alam yang sama tu lo.
laso doi kan lah duita ben 15 rupees dari development oh duita ben 30 mah festival lang kami na there is a helipad second gate pen marchet I don't know we are going or not but we are seeing from this side tum givang lake tiny house and bibim rodili collab hari la tum pene na dakse do yo
Tum bang cuy dia sobong mah.
what's up oh my oi solo kome to every tumke kanilo kalang lo
So nah hasil jumlah yang sana tu.
so nang to Keong mo.
Ade. Ini kan setiap lo kita deh.
अभी फोटो खींचने का टाइम है ताकि ला लो I thought this is a nice place to click pictures, so we'll be clicking pictures. About to go now, but for mo is ini rilang pulo hai. I want to buy one cup for myself, so I'll be searching one cup. Lights sa dumang lang masan. Parang tin chai lan bang ke. Okay, hi guys, good morning. So last night we were a little bit late, but yes, before 12 bang ke ham nang chilig le hai. So and my phone was dead. Power bank pon stop power bank bang battery betel la. So my phone is dead. Let's say video bang shoot long le dal pading long le dal hai. Let's say to ni PPC chiwan ma na japak lang ichi pula. Our move on is on thom hai, but still I wanted to share with you guys. So this is juhu karahi phule la bibi adim la rung appen hade. So it costs ke thom pen si pharoi si po. Ni bang pli ben pharoi si nang lu ning not pele he bang ta chip kes bang ta ke bonai du upot nili ta pidal he ke thom pen si pharoi si ve la pen adun thu ke nili la handmade arlington keselam bruce pin chawan la pen aso do he they said aso by 250 la ke the ben pharo thom pe la. And I was like, why to take small when you got the bigger one, which I like. The price is 200 nili ador pa kom dun la agthe bangle pharani pe nang pick that non pola. And she was like, yeah, okay, you take it pamat nining karong ong la hai long pop la. And the last one is this white one cock. A kilo, and it costs only 300 rupees. Okay. Nili octaring me ego ida da man si to ita ju long. Ani son la hadi ning samsi da son la elanga da kidono hai phamata pini sami octaring no that sami pini ke lasar ni lo pot pini sami puthadun thuik po octaring no dax tami. So yes, that is for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So see you in my another vlog, and that will be today, but I'll be uploading tomorrow. So bye bye.